Yes, hello, good evening, Mr. Adit. How are you?
Hello, good evening, sir. How are
Yes,
you, sir? I'm good, sir.
okay,
How
nice to
about
see you
you?
again.
How are you?
Yes, I'm good as well. Yes, I'm good.
Yes,
Yeah, so long time I don't
yes,
see you. I don't see you in the class, so long time.
yes, sir.
Oh,
Because I'm busy. I'm
oh,
well,
yes.
now I'm working now
Okay. Where are you working? In Indonesia or where?
and another cancer
In
in
another
the ship.
country?
I'm a crew of the ship.
Or crew of the ships?
Yeah,
Okay, so what time is it now in your area? What time now?
in the morning, sir. Can
In
you
the
see? Can you see that?
In the morning. Oh, okay. In the morning. Yes, but your sorry, your picture
In the
peanuts.
morning.
Yes. In the morning. So yes,
Amazon ako.
yeah, probably in the US, the United States. So difference 12 hours.
Yeah, in the United States.
Okay. So yes,
Yes.
nice to see you
How
again,
about
Mr.
there, sir?
Adi.
What is done there?
It's 9 p.m. in Jakarta. It's 9 p.m.
9 p.m.
Yes. 6 to 9
Oh, okay,
p.m.
okay, okay.
It's in Jakarta. Okay, for this evening, actually, we will discuss about this, Mr. Agit. That this is about the yes, KRI, sorry, KRI Nanggala. So, have you got the news about this, Mr. Adit?
Uh,
Yeah, about this.
but not much, not too much.
Okay,
So
yes, this
that
is
I know that
yes,
ship sing, right? That ship was sing,
yes,
getting
sink.
sing.
Yes, the ship sunken. Yeah, this is the submarines. Yeah, the submarines. Yes, and sunken KRI Nanggala 402. The submarine found crackers opened by rescue. And we can see this picture also, Mr. Matic. And this is the
Sunken.
rescue. Yes, sunken.
What
Something like
what
this.
what does mean?
This is the factory of sink. Yeah, sink, sunk, sunken. Like this. Sink, sunk, sunken.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
Yes, the factory. Yes. Okay.
Bukannya
And
bukannya sama ya, sing sing sang, sing sing sang,
yeah, sink, sank,
sunken.
sunken. Yes, the factory.
Oh, okay, okay.
Okay. Okay, so Mr. Adit, we continue. So this is an Indonesian Navy ship set sail at dawn. At dawn is the morning
Okay.
time. Yes, from the naval base in
Hmm.
Banyuwangi, East Java province on April 25th, 2021. So it was yesterday. As the military continues search operations off the coast of Bali for the Navy KRI Nanggala 402 submarines that went missing April 21st during a training exercise. Yeah, this is the submarines that had the exercise. Yeah, the training exercise on April 21st. Yeah, but it was missing, yeah, for a few days, and then many, yeah, submarines, yeah, in our country, and also, yes, the military ships also, yeah, actually exploring the sea, yeah, to looking for the submarines that missing, looking for the sorry, KRI Nanggala. Okay, so yeah, this is the news was yesterday, but for yesterday evening, Mr. Adit, actually the ship already found,
Okay.
yeah, already found in the Yeah, actually in the seabeds, di dasar laut, in the seabeds. Yeah, and yeah, actually because the help of the ship from Singapore and the uh, M sorry MV Rescue. Sorry, I was forgot the names. Yeah, so yeah, that's from Singapore. Yeah, MV Swift Rescue. Yeah, from Singapore. Okay, so Mr. Adit for this evening, just you are the participant. So are you at home now? Are you at home? At home or in the city?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, okay, Mr.
In the
Adit
hotel, in the hotel.
in the hotels. Okay, that's nice. So probably yeah, take rest yeah, from the ships, from the cruise lines. Yeah, then you yeah take rest at the hotel. Okay. Mr. Adit, can you please read this paragraph, sir? This is Amazing Indonesian's Navy.
Amazing, amazing Indonesian Navy submarine has been found. Broken into three parts. Hah? Oh, jadi udah ketemu ya?
Yes, 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 sir.
Oke, oke. Deep in the Bali Sea, Army and Navy officially at present, at the President sent condolences apa nih
Condolences.
condolences apa sih artinya?
Ucapan bela sungkawa.
Condolences artinya apa?
Ucapan bela sungkawa. Condolences, ucapan bela sungkawa. Yes.
Oh, okay. To relatives of the 53 crew.
Yes. Relatives.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Relatives is the family, is the sanak keluarga.
Okay.
Kerabat. Yes.
Okay. So the good news is the ship has been found, right?
Yes, the ships are found already, yeah, but the ship cracks into three parts. Yeah, pecah menjadi tiga bagian. The ships, yeah, cracks yeah, into three parts.
You know why? You know why it happened? You know why it happened, sir?
Yep. So
You know why? You know why the ship sink? You know why it happened?
yes, yeah, actually we got the news here from some medias, yeah, Indonesian's medias, yeah, but the ships, yeah, actually sink in the actually beyond the capability of the ships. Yeah, the ships sinks in the depths actually 800 meters. Yeah, 800 meters. Yeah, beyond the capability of the ships. Ya, melebihi kemampuan kapalnya. Because the ships only design yeah, that it only able yeah, on the depth 200 meters. Yeah, only 20 bar yeah, for the 200 meters only. Yeah, but the ships
only 200 meters.
Yes, only 200 meters.
Okay.
Yeah, but the ships yeah sink
800 meters.
Yeah, more than 200 meters. Yeah, but until 800 meters. Yeah. So yeah, has the great pressure, ya, tekanan yang besar, has the great pressures. Yeah. Okay. So the ship crack like that.
You know why the 700 meters? You know why?
Yes.
Or maybe because there was a problem.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Problem or what?
Yeah, this is good questions. Yeah, good questions as well. Yeah, because some Indonesian people they also curious. Yeah, they have curiosity about this. Yeah, yeah, because since April 21st, yeah, the ship was missing yeah, after exercise on the Sea of Bali, the Sea of Bali coastlines, yeah, posisi Bali. Then the ship lost like that. Connection struggles. Halo, Yes, Mr. Adit, for a
Hello, sir.
moment you were disappeared for a moment. Yeah, probably has the connection problems. Yeah, yes, because
Okay, sir.
yeah,
Okay, no problem.
yes,
Okay.
yeah, because you far away from Indonesia actually. Yeah, so yeah, has the connection problems
Yeah.
somehow. Yeah, and different
Okay. Okay. No
times,
problem. I
different
know
time
about that.
zone. Yes, in the
Because the
of
distance is too far.
yes, sir. Okay, so we continue again. Yeah, your question was
Okay.
interesting
Okay.
to discuss actually, Mr. Eddie. Yeah, actually since April 21st,
Okay. Thank you.
yes, when the submarine, yeah, this Nanggala KRI 402 had the exercise, yeah, on the Sea of Bali,
Mm.
yeah, Bali coastlands, yeah. Then suddenly Nanggala
Okay.
lost, yeah, this ship suddenly lost, suddenly missing like that. And then the crew, yeah, got the panics, yeah, and searching for the Nanggala, searching for Nanggala submarines, yeah. But until many hours, yeah, the ships hadn't found yet that time. Yeah, so the crew announced to the media. Yeah, that's the sorry, the actually the another ships like that, or the other ships, yeah, the other military ships, yeah, announced to the media, yeah, that Nanggala submarines was missing, yeah, was missing. So the media publics, yeah, this news to the public, yeah, publishing this news to the public, yeah, the Indonesians media news like that. Okay, so continue again, Mr. Edit. Yeah, but from the commander of the military, yeah, the commander of TNI, yeah, Indonesian's TNI, announced to the public, yeah, that the oxygens, yeah, when it's blackouts, yeah, mati listrik, because the ships, yeah, Nanggala submarines, yeah, could not send the informations, anything, yeah, could not send the actually the
Okay.
information, yeah, could not, yeah, inform, yeah, any
Mm.
informations, yeah, yeah. So many people talk, yeah, berpikir that it was blackout. Okay, one participant joined, Mr.
Mm.
Iwan. So I will say greeting to this participant, Mr. Edit. So, okay, we'll discuss together with one participant. Okay, you waiting. Mr. Iwan from Mamuju, from Sulawesi. Yes, hello, good evening, Mr. Iwan.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, nice to see you in the
What's
class.
the
Actually,
topic about?
before you join the class, we had discussed with Mr. Edit. Yeah, Mr. Edit was our participants. Yeah, but now he is working. Hello, Mr. Edit. Hello, Mr. Edit. Yeah, Mr. Edit now in the US, in United States. So different time
Mm.
zone. Yeah. Hello, Mr. Edit. Now you join with Mr. Iwan in Mamuju.
Hello.
Sir, sorry, your voice not clear, sir. Sometimes I.
Yes.
Why is trouble?
Yeah, has
Yeah,
the
the
voice
trouble.
trouble. Okay. Okay. Now you join with Mr. Iwan, Mr. Edit. Mr. Iwan in Sulawesi, in Mamuju.
Oh, hello, Mr. Im. Hello. How are you?
Hello. I'm fine.
Okay, that's
How
great.
about you? Where do you
Sorry?
where do you live?
Mr. Edit
Where do you
originally
live, Mr.
from
Adit?
Jogja. Mr. Edit originally from Jogja, sir. Yeah. But now he is working in the
Jogja?
cruise line. Yeah, in the cruise line in America for now. Yes, he is originally from Jogja, Yogyakarta. Yes.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Nice to meet you, Mr.
Yes. Okay. So
Okay.
yeah, sometimes trouble, Mr. Edit.
Sorry about the times trouble like that. Sometimes
Yes.
I can hear you, but
Yeah.
Yes, no problem.
it's okay. It's okay. Go ahead.
Yes, but because you are away from my country, you are in America, so so far away from here. Yeah, in the half of the yeah different 12 hours time zone. Okay. Okay, Mr. Edit. So we continue again. We repeat again from the first because Mr. Iwan joined the class and also Mr. Ilams.
Okay.
Okay. Mr. Iwan, actually, have you got the news about this? This is the Sunken KRI Nanggala 402, 402. Submarine port brackets opened by rescue. Okay. So this is the Nanggala sunken. You understand, Mr. Iwan, sunken?
No, sir. What's sunken, sir?
Sunken is
Tenggelam.
tenggelam. Sink, sank, sunken. This is the verb to be.
Oh,
Yes.
sunken.
Yes.
Sunken.
Ya. Port brackets ya ditemukan terpecah. Ya, open by rescue ya oleh tim penyelamat rescue. Okay. This is the rescue ships, Mr. Iwan. You can see this. Yeah. And yeah, it was yesterday, Mr. Iwan. This is an Indonesian Navy ship set sail at dawn. Yeah, dawn is the morning time. Yeah, subuh. Yeah, from the naval base in Banyuwangi. Naval base in Banyuwangi. Yeah, East Java province on April 25th. So it was yesterday, Mr. Iwan. Yeah, as the military continues search operations of the coast of Bali for the Navy KRI Nanggala 402 submarine that went missing April 21st during a training exercise. Yeah, but we already got the news, Mr. Iwan, that the ship already found, Mr. Iwan. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got the news that the ship already found. Kapalnya sudah ditemukan, Mr. Iwan.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, okay. Can you hear my voice clearly,
Has
Mr.
been found.
Yes. Okay. So continue again. Mr. Iwan, can you please read this paragraph, sir? This is
Okay.
yes.
A missing Indonesian Navy submarine has been found, broken into at least 3 parts deep in the Bali Sea. Army and the Navy officials said on Sunday, as the president sent condolences to relatives of the 53 crew.
Yes. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Iwan. So do you understand about the purpose of these paragraphs? Do you understand?
That Navy submarine has been found
Yes.
in Bali Sea, and then the president sent condolences to the 55 crew that we know the 55 crew is didn't found until now.
Yes. Yes. So that's the point also. Yeah. That this is the
Haven't found.
yes. Yeah, they haven't found yet. Yeah, this is the missing Indonesian Navy submarines. Yeah, because after exercise, Mr. Iwan, on April 21st, yeah, this ship was missing. Yeah, hilang, was missing this ship. Yeah. Then the Indonesian military TNI announced to the public, yeah, to the news media, and that Nanggala submarine is missing like that. Yeah, hilang. Yeah. Dan the Indonesian news media publishing, and that's Nanggala 402 was missing, and had the blackouts, because the crew did not send any information. So many people thought that Nanggala blackouts, mati lampu, mati listrik. Nanggala blackouts, mati listrik. Yes, blackout. Blackout is a mati lampu or mati listrik, something like that. Yeah. Then yes, the Indonesian TNI commanders, Komando TNI Indonesia, announced the public also. Yeah. But when the ships blackouts, ketika kapalnya blackouts mati listrik, Yeah, the ship the oxygen only supply for 3 days. Yeah. The oxygen only supply for 3 days. Yeah. If the electricity normal, yeah,
Okay.
the oxygen can be supplied for 5 days. But when it's black ox, the only supply for 3 days, like that. And then the rest, yes, the Navy rescuer, the military vessels, the military rescuer also searching for Nanggala 402 until a few days. Yeah. But yesterday on Sunday, KRI Regals, sorry, Mr. Iwan, can you hear my voice clearly, Mr. Iwan?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, the KRI Regals, yeah, on Sunday yesterday, yeah, actually got the something from the deep of the sea. Yeah. Got the big magnitudes, yeah, from the deep of the sea. Yeah. Then
Yes.
yes, but KRI Regal also had the ROV, ROV, yes, ROV, remote operated vehicles. Yeah, but only in the depth only 200 meters only. Yeah. Then Singapore, Singapore Ship Rescuer. Yeah, that's MV Swift Rescue. Yeah, has the ROV. Yeah, but has the capability until 800 meters. Yeah, so Indonesia asks help to the Singapore Ship Rescuer MV Swift, yeah, MV Swift Rescue, yeah, to use its ROV. Yeah. Remoting operated vehicles, yeah, until the depth of 800 meters. Do you understand actually, Mr. Iwan? Do you understand what I'm saying? Do you understand?
I not so I a bit understand, sir.
Yes. Okay. I will explain. And this is also Mr. Relance. Okay. I will explain it a little bit in Indonesian also. Yep. Kemarin kapal KRI Regal kemarin hari Minggu dalam pencarian kemarin hari Minggu tanggal 25, yaitu KRI Regal menangkap sinyal gelombang elektromagnetik, ya, yang sangat tinggi di dasar laut. Tetapi kemampuan KRI Regal ini dia hanya memiliki ROV atau Remote Operated Vehicles, yaitu robot, ya, alat yang dikendalikan dari jarak jauh, itu hanya pada kedalaman 200 meter. Ya, sehingga tidak mampu untuk menjelajahi kedalaman laut tersebut. Yes.
200.
Yes, only 200 meters. Ya, kemudian karena KRI Regal menangkap gelombang magnetud yang tinggi, kemudian dilanjutkan oleh pencarian bantuan dari Singapura, ya, kapal bantuan dari Singapura yaitu MV Swift Rescue yang memiliki ROV, ya, itu mencapai 800 meter lebih ROV-nya itu, ya, Remote Operated Vehicle. Ya, sehingga dengan bantuan kapal dari Singapura ini KRI Nanggala bisa ditemukan, ya, karena dia jatuh pada kedalaman 800 meter. KRI Nanggala ini sudah jatuh di dasar laut dengan kedalaman 800 meter lebih. Ya, sehingga ya, dengan kemampuan kapal bantuan dari Singapura itu MV Swift Rescuer ini, karena dia memiliki ROV yang bisa menjelajah di kedalaman 800 meter lebih, sehingga bisa menemukan KRI Nanggala. That's something like that. Yeah, but the Nanggala, yes, sir, Mr. Iwan, Nanggala submarine was cracked into 3 parts. Sudah pecah menjadi 3 bagian. Yeah, so this is the problem. And then the evening day, yeah, yesterday in the evening, had the press conference, yeah, in Bali, yeah, in Bali, Badung or where I was forgot, probably in Badung in Bali, yeah, press conference, yeah, in Badung, Bali, yeah, to announce this, yeah, to publishing this. Okay, so Mr. Iwan, we continue again, sir, yeah, because this is, yeah, the news was trending also. Okay, Mr. Relance, welcome to the class, Mr. Relance.
Ya, halo Mister.
Yes, Welcome to the class, Mr. Ilans. Okay, let's join with us. Okay, Mr.
Yes,
Ilans,
sir.
can you please read the second paragraph, sir? This is
Rescue.
yes, rescue.
Okay, Mister. Rescue found a new object, including a live vest that they believe belonged to those abroad. The 55 years old KRI Nanggala Po 02, which lost contact on Wednesday as it prepared to conduct torpedo drill.
Yes,
Torpedo drill. What's torpedo
Yes.
drill?
okay, thank you. Thank you, Mr. Ilans. So I will explain this. Yeah, this is the rescuer found new objects.
You are welcome.
Tim penyelamat telah menemukan objek baru, including a life vest, ya, termasuk pelampung keselamatan. That they believe, yang mereka yakini, ya, belong to those aboards, ya, the 44 years old KRI Nanggala. Ya, yang mereka yakini milik dari kapal Nanggala yang sudah berumur 44 tahun, Nanggala 402. Which lost contact, ya, yang telah hilang kontak pada hari Rabu, as it prepared to conduct a torpedo drill, sebagaimana disiapkan untuk menembakkan tembakan torpedo. Dalam latihan itu pada hari Rabu minggu lalu, sudah 5 hari yang lalu, ya, ini kapal Nanggala ini sedang latihan di pesisir Bali, ya, di laut pesisir Bali, ya, untuk menembakkan tembakan torpedo. Ini adalah latihan gabungan. Ya, tetapi dia hilang kontak, tiba-tiba hilang kontak. Setelah itu dilakukan pencarian, ya, kemudian beberapa waktu kemudian ditemukan pelampung dan lain sebagainya waktu itu. Oke. Ya, tetapi ini beritanya, Mr. Ilang. Ya, beritanya ini kapalnya sudah ditemukan, ya, bahwa broken into at least 3 parts, ya, pecah menjadi setidaknya 3 bagian, ya, deep in the Bali Sea, di kedalaman laut Bali. Dan Army, ya, Army itu artinya tentara bersenjata, ya, Army itu tentara. And Navy officials, ya, Navy berarti angkatan laut. Official said on Sunday, secara resmi menyatakan pada hari Minggu, as the President sends condolence, sebagaimana Presiden telah mengirimkan condolence, bela sungkawa. Condolence is a bela sungkawa. Ucapan bela sungkawa to relatives, kepada kerabat-kerabat of the 53 crew. So they were passed away, because the ships already cracked into the 3 parts. Sudah crack, sudah pecah menjadi 3 bagian. Okay, so we continue again. So we will discuss about this news. Okay, this is based on the evidence. What is the meaning evidence, Mr. Iwan? Evidence.
Evidence based on the evidence, berdasarkan fakta.
Yes, fakta, bukti, evidence. Yes, excellent. Yeah. It can
Jadi,
be states. Itu bisa dinyatakan. That the KRI Nanggala has sunk and all of its crew have died. Yes. Indonesian military Chief Marshal Hadi Cahyanto told reporters. Okay. This is the Indonesian military report. The reporters. Yeah, and yeah. Okay, so I will read this also. Yeah, the KRI Nanggala is divided into 3 parts. Yeah, the hulls, the hull of the ships, the hulls of the ships. Lambung kapal. The hull is a lambung kapal, bagian tengah kapal. Yeah. The sterns, yeah, bagian belakang. The stern adalah bagian belakang kapal. Sterns. Stern of the ships, bagian belakang kapal, atau buritan kapal, bagian belakang. And the main parts are all separated, with the main parts for crackers, ya, he said. Oke, ya, bagian utamanya sudah terpisah-pisah, ya, semuanya terpisah-pisah. Ya, dengan bagian utama ditemukan pecah. Ya. With the main parts, ya, bagian utama, ya, main utama telah ditemukan crackers, pecah. Okay, so Presiden Joko Widodo earlier confirmed this discovery in the Bali Sea and sent the families of the victims his condolence. Okay, do you understand of this, Mr. Ikhwan, of this paragraph? Do you understand?
Ya.
Ya.
Presiden Joko Widodo
Yes.
early telah dikonfirmasi lebih awal dari penemuan di Bali, Lautan Bali, dan mengirimkan ucapan belasungkawa kepada keluarga korban.
Yes, excellent. Thank you, Mr. Iwan. Yes, so you understood already. Yes, thank you. Okay, so we continue again. So all of us Indonesians express our deep sorrow, ya, kesedihan yang mendalam. Ya, sorrow is a kesedihan. Ya, over this tragedy, ya, especially to the families of the submarine crew. So, yeah, we continue. Yeah, but this news, Mr. Iwan, that the ship, still in the predictions like that, still in the speculations. This news actually, and the ships hadn't found yet, telah belum ditemukan, yang of this news. Ya, di berita ini, Mr. Iwan, ini kapalnya ini masih spekulasi, masih belum ditemukan, tetapi kita sudah berspekulasi bahwa kapalnya itu sudah pecah begitu, karena sudah ditemukan bagian-bagian dari kapal itu, sebagian sudah ditemukan, tetapi posisi kapalnya ini belum ditemukan, maksudnya yang kemungkinan gitu masih dalam spekulasi beritanya, karena beritanya ini di berita kapalnya sudah ditemukan itu diumumkan di malam hari, Mr. Iwan. Ya, diumumkannya di malam hari. Karena ini beritanya kemarin, sehingga ini orang sudah memprediksi bahwa kapalnya itu di kedalaman sekian. In the predictions. Okay, so this is Yudo said on Saturday that sonar scan had detected. Okay. Yudo mengatakan pada hari Sabtu bahwa pemindai sonar telah dideteksi submarine like object at 850 meters, ya, karena ini ya sonarnya itu sudah dideteksi pada kedalaman sekitar 880 meters or 2,790 feet beyond the Nanggala diving range, ya, melebihi daya selam Nanggala. This is Mr. Iwan. Because Nanggala only designs, and that's Nanggala only able to dive, ya, hanya mampu untuk menyelam, ya, on the range only 200 meters, pada jangka atau jarak 200 meters only, 200 meter only, or 20 bar. But this is already in the 850 meters. So this is beyond the diving range of Nanggala, melebihi kemampuan menyelam Nanggala. Beyond is melebihi. Yes.
Lebih beyond.
Yes, sir. This is, and more than a dozen is a belasan helicopters and ships are searching the area where contact was lost, with the United States, Australia, Singapore, Malaysia, and India providing assistance, menyediakan bantuan. Yes, this is Mr. Iwan. And so some countries also help for the rescue, Mr. Iwan, the searching for Nanggala 402. Yeah. Okay, so we continue again. Yeah, this is also the problem. Mr. Iwan, Mr. Iwan, can you please read this, Mr. Iwan? This is, yes, sir.
Okay. Resident of East Java town of Banyuwangi, which hosts the naval base from where search and rescue operations are being conducted, join nationwide calls to accelerate the modernization of Indonesia Defense Force.
Okay. So anyway, do you understand about this, Mr. Iwan?
What's naval?
Yes.
What's naval base, sir?
Naval base, pangkalan angkatan laut. Pangkalan angkatan laut. Naval base.
Okay.
Yes. So this is the resident of the East Java town of Banyuwangi. Yeah. Town is kota kecil Banyuwangi, penduduk ya Banyuwangi, kota kecil Banyuwangi, Jawa Timur. Which host the naval base, ya, yang menjadi pangkalan angkatan laut. From where search and rescue operations are being conducted. Dari sana, ya, pencari operasi penyelamatan dilakukan. Joint nationwide calls to accelerate. What is the meaning of accelerate, Mr. Evans? Accelerate.
Untuk meningkatkan,
Yes, meningkatkan or mempercepat.
mempercepat.
Yes, accelerate. Yes. Yeah, the modernizations of Indonesian.
What is
Yes,
national wide, sir?
nasional
Nationwide calls.
seluruh bangsa, gabungan seluruh bangsa atau
Oh.
jajaran seluruh bangsa. Joint nationwide, nationwide, jajaran seluruh bangsa. Joint nationwide. That's the meaning. Yes. Yes, call to accelerate the modernizations of Indonesia's defense force.
Defense force.
Yes, this is Mr. Iwan. This is the problem.
Pertahanan.
Yeah, excellent. Yeah,
Yes.
but Indonesia needed for the modernizations. Yeah, of the defense, the defense force. Petugas pertahanan force and modernization
force.
Yes, for the technology. Yes. Okay, so we continue until this. Yeah. Okay, this paragraph is Indonesia has SOC. Yeah, SOC, the meaning is berharga. Yeah, SOC, the meaning is berharga. This is. Yeah, Indonesia has sought to revamp its military capability. Yeah. What is the meaning of this, Mr. Iwan? Indonesia has sought to revamp its military capability.
Indonesia has sought to reform, to memperbaharui kemampuan militer.
Yes. SOC.
Yes. Some
yes.
SOC.
SOC meaning is
what SOC, sir?
SOC is berharga. SOC the meaning is berharga, berharga. SOC the meaning is berharga, Mr. Iwan.
Oh.
To revamp is merubah.
Short.
Ya, revamp is merubah, Mr. Iwan.
Merubah.
Yes, merubah.
Yes.
Its military capability. Ya, kemampuan militernya. Indonesia telah merubah kemampuan militernya yang berharga. Ya, kemampuan militernya yang berharga. Ya. Yet some, belum beberapa, yet some equipments is still old and there have been fatal accident in recent years. Do you understand about this, Mr. Iwan?
Aku sering sebel, sering dapat panggilan dari nomor yang nggak dikenal, dapat SMS tipu-tipu hadiah lah, ujian.
Yeah.
Yes, Mr. Iwan, do you understand? Yes, do you understand about this part, sir? Yet some equipment is still
old, ya. Harus memperbaharui alat-alat yang sudah tua dan menyebabkan kejadian-kejadian yang fatal akhir-akhir ini, beberapa tahun terakhir.
Yes, excellent. Yeah, actually Indonesia militer already revamped it, sudah dirubah the capability, but the equipment is still old. Yeah, so this is the problem. Yes, okay, you understood. And this is
still old.
Yeah, just the fatal accidents. Yeah,
minimum budget.
Yeah, minimum budgets. Yeah, and this is Indonesia had 5 submarines before the last accidents.
Oh, the last.
Yeah.
Sedan.
had the 5 submarines.
Two German-built type. German-built type
Yes.
209,
including Nanggala.
including Nanggala, and three
Newer.
and three newer South Korean vessels.
Yes, yang 3 lebih baru, kapal dari Korea Selatan. Yes. But now, remain 4, tersisa 4, remain 4 Indonesian submarines.
Because Nanggala is.
Because Nanggala was broken, was cracked, was broken. So Indonesia remain for the submarines. Okay, Mr. Iwan, actually, before you join the class, and also Mr. Ilan joined the class, Mr. Edit was joined the class. Mr. Edit was joined the class earlier. Mr. Edit was the participant. He originally from Jogja, sir. He originally from Yogyakarta, from Indonesia, Yogyakarta. But now he is working in the cruise line, di kapal pesiar, and now he is staying in the hotel in the United States, in America. So different time zone, here in the evening and in America in the morning, like that. So Mr. Edit had the connection trouble for the Zoom. Zoom actually had the connection trouble, Mr. Edit. So he says sorry because he far away also. Okay, so Mr. Iwan, from this news, what is your conclusion actually, Mr. Iwan, from this news from Nanggala? Nanggala was missing, then found cracked in the seabed. So what is your conclusion?
My conclusion is the accident of Nanggala.
Yes.
402 is must paid daily from our country because that's Nanggala is our one of force of Navy.
Yes,
I think so. Our country must to replace that submarine.
Yes.
Again, sir, because our country is a big country with sea, with a dominant our
maritime
country is sea. So the
maritime country. Yes, so maritime. Yes.
Country,
Okay.
Yes, so the submarine like submarine like Nanggala is very, very important for our national defense. I think.
Yes.
So.
That's the point. Okay, thank you, Mr. Iwan. So that's the conclusions also, Mr. Iwan. That's the Nanggala is the one of the big Indonesian military asset also. Because that's for the defense of the
that's right.
National Indonesia. Which is which is Indonesia is the maritime country. Or dominated by the sea. Dominasi oleh lautan. Okay.
Laut, that's my.
Okay, so this is the also in this news, Mr. Iwan. Indonesian Navy already revamps. Indonesia has sought to revamp its military capability. Indonesia telah shock, artinya berharga atau menghabiskan banyak uang. Shock ini berharga atau mahal. Bisa berarti mahal, menghabiskan banyak uang. To revamp untuk merubah. Kalau revamp dirubah, tapi kalau to revamp berarti merubah. Untuk merubah its military capability. Untuk merubah kemampuan militernya. Yet some equipment, tetapi alat-alatnya belum dirubah. Alat-alatnya belum dirubah, is still out, and there have been fatal accident in recent years. Dalam beberapa tahun ini ada beberapa kejadian yang fatal karena peralatannya sudah tua. something like that. So actually, Indonesia needs the modernization, ya, to the defense force, untuk tentara pertahanan, defense force. This is. Okay,
Yeah.
Mr. Iwan, if you understood already, so do you have any question actually, Mr. Iwan, from this news you have? Okay, Mr. Iwan,
Not so far. So.
this is the people said, yeah. This can be learning point for the governments, ya, to advance, ya, untuk ya advance, ya, its military technology, ya, mempercanggih, ya, mempercanggih its military technology, and be careful in how it use it existing, ya, yang ada sekarang, ya, ya, teknologi, ya, because its people lives are at stake, ya, karena orang-orang ini hidup dipertaruhkan, ya. Life are at stake, ya. At stake dipertaruhkan, dipertaruhkan. Ya. Say 29 years old presiden penduduk Henverdi Sentosa. Henverdi Sentosa.
Yeah.
Okay, so Mr. Iwan, you have good conclusions. Yeah. So thank you for the conclusion, Mr. Iwan. So yeah, I think this news is enough. Yeah, this learning is enough, Mr. Iwan. So we continue by tomorrow.
Thank you very much.
Yes, because it's late month. Yeah, you're welcome, Mr. Iwan. See you back there. Yeah, Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.